Now take this side. Okay, this is the right side of front panel, and take this, fold it from the side. I am attaching the belt with it. To attach, keep it at end of this and stitch like this. Now while stitching it, mark at every 4 inches and insert this loop like this. Okay, this loop at this mark point and stitch this simultaneously. See, here we have added this side pocket, so the top of side pocket will also come in between. We will stitch top of this side pocket with this simultaneously. See here, this is the top of side pocket, this is the front panel of this pant, this is the loop, and then this is for belt part. So we will stitch all these things simultaneously. Now after this belt, I mark another 4 inch. So here it is. Insert the belt loop over here and stitch this. In similar manner, stitch this one part. This is the back part is coming. So let's stitch this. Now I have stitched one side of this belt. Okay, see, these are the loops. So one side of this belt is stitched. In the similar manner, take another side, and this time start from this back part. Okay, back panel. This is the right side of back panel, and in similar manner just fold this from the side and stitch. Again mark at 4 inch and insert loop. See, here the side pocket of this front panel is coming. So in similar manner we will keep this side pocket of front panel and then this front panel on it. Inches for the loop. Insert for loop over here and stitch all these things simultaneously. See, after stitching it, these are the loops coming out. Okay, at the left hand side of this pant, this is the front side where this longer part of belt will come out. From where the zipper flap is ending, measure 3 inches and mark here. Take such a pant hook buttons. So I have took this button from the market. Okay, keep it. See, the open part is toward the outer side. Okay, this open part is toward the outer side. So I will stitch this. If your has such corners, then you can beat it with hammer, but mine is stitchable, so I am stitching it. After attaching this one, measure 3 inches from here like this. I have measured and attached one more over here facing toward the outside. Then this is the wrong side of this panel. Okay, now fold this part toward the inner side. Fold this one like this from this side like this, and in this manner fold the outer side. Now after folding, tuck, make a stitch over here. Now see, keep these all stitches, keep these all extra clothes toward the upper side and take out and stretch it till here and fold this simultaneously. Okay, so this is the part. Fold this and now stitch them. So in this manner this is stitching. here the end is coming, so turn this toward the inner side. As we kept a half inch of margin, just do this stitch again. Hold this belt. To stitch hold this belt, keep all extra cloth toward the inner side and take out this, fold half inch and see in this manner stitch hole of this belt. Stitch this belt for the one side, and now for the right hand side, see, close the zip and mark where the button is coming, okay, like this. And from here mark another one like this. Another way is to mark one and for other mark 3 inches, because we kept 3 inches of. Now to attach buttons, see, take this part, insert this into this, and it will come out from the other side. Now take this part, put it in this, just tuck it. Now it's stuck with it. Take another one, insert at the mark point, and pointed part will come out. Insert this and again hammer it. These two are inserted. Okay. Now take wrong side of this. Fold this fold this side toward the inner side, as we did with the other part. Now fold this. After folding everything neatly, just stitch. See, I am starting from here. Fold this. Keep all cloth toward the inner side and fold and stitch this belt part whole, keeping your loops toward the back in downward side. The belt is attached. It's time to stitch this back part which we kept open, but before stitching that, just measure your this waist, required waist. If it is more than the required waist, then you can tuck more part of this towards from the back side. If this is the lesser than, then you can open some more part from the back side. Now stitch this back part. Make 1 and 2 twice. Make 2 or 3 stitches over here so that it will stick to it. And this is the extra part of this bukram or the belt. Just cut the extra part. Now the pant is almost ready. The next part is to stitch these loops with it. To stitch these loops with it, just take and fold it like this and make top stitch on each and every loop 2 to 3 times. Time to stitch the inner pocket. For inner pocket, take the end, take one end and fold it half inch and again fold almost 1 inch and stitch and stitch it. Do the same with other end. After doing top stitches, turn it toward this is the wrong side of the pocket. Stitch all 3 sides, leaving this open end. Okay. Now turn it. Take the ends out, corners out. Now make top stitch. Make top stitch from right side of this cloth. This is the front side. Okay, this is the side pocket of front side. From this side pocket of front side, measure 1.5 inch. Measure 1.5 inch. Mark here and keep this pocket, inner pocket on it, and make 2 to 3 stitches over here till this belt ends. Okay. Now over here as well, make 2 to 3 stitches. Now to keep it attached, see, this is like this. Take the inner part of this pocket and stitch this inner part. See, the panty is almost ready. Okay, but the last part is to make crease. Join from the bottom. Join these 2 stitches. See, this stitch with this stitch in this manner and keep it like this halfway. Okay, and then do iron so that you will make this crease. After making this crease, last part is to do bottom turning. And from back side, measure fold half inches, and then fold 2.5 inch or as per the required length. After fold it, iron it, and with the help of thread and needle do hand stitch or do turpai like I have done over here. For turpai you can watch my video. So this pant is ready now. See, from here it will look like this when you will do bottom turning, and or you can do stitch with the help of sewing machine. After doing bottom turning, it will look like this. My next video will be on high neck, front open top or kurti of net cloth with lining. So must watch, keep watching Leah Imagination. Subscribe to learn stitching in easiest way. Like, share. Thank you.